have learnt quite a bit of good Hindi, and also you've learnt to speak a little bit, everyone. So today is the 29th day of our 30-day course. So almost we are reaching the last day, last but one day, 7th July, Tuesday, 4 p.m. So today's plan or agenda is, first we'll have song. Yesterday somebody wanted Sare Jahan Se Acha, so that song will be played. Then I will show some of the persons' pictures of famous Hindi poets and some of the good writers in Hindi. So you can just have a look at it and pick up one or two names. Then new words, today's new words. Then we'll have an oral quiz. Then some revision. Then some conversation. Maybe a video will be shown. Thereafter, we'll have some reading practice today. After the reading practice, homework, and then Dhanyavad. Okay. So we will do as usual every day how we are doing. Same way we will do today, everything. And only tomorrow, being the valedictory day, we will have little bit different way of class, including all the students who have actively participated in the learning. We will show some exhibiting their talents in singing, drawing, and so many other talents, whatever they have. We will allow them to exhibit so that all of us can have a sort of memorable final day of this course. That is the idea. So,
मेरे अध्यापक के लिए एक पाठ। मैं रामेश्वरम में मस्जिद गली में रहता।
आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम, हमारे इस विशाल देश में हर धर्म के लोग शांति से रहते हैं, अपने रिवाजों का पालन करते हैं और अपने त्योहार भी बनाते हैं। लेकिन फिर भी हर मन में एक एकता की भावना है। जब भी देश पर कोई संकट आता है तब सब एकजुट होकर उसका सामना करते हैं।
इसका मतलब सब भारतीय एक हाथ की तरह है, हर उंगली अलग अलग, लेकिन जब सब एक हो जाते हैं वो मुट्ठी बन जाती है।
ऐसे महान देश को हमारा प्रणाम। भारत माता की जय।
So you liked? Super song. Okay. Shraddha. See, in India, 14th of September every year is celebrated as Hindi Day. Mostly this is celebrated in all the central government offices. Even though it is applicable for everybody, generally it is celebrated by the central government offices. Whatever, even in Tamil Nadu, there are many central government offices are there. Army wing, defense accounts, various departments are there, passport office. All these places on 14th September, if you visit, they will be celebrating Hindi Divas. And the entire fortnight they will celebrate as Hindi Pakwada. Pakwada is fortnight, Hindi fortnight. Either 14th to 30th or 1st to 14th. They will flexibly every year they will celebrate one fortnight government office as Hindi Pakwada, and they will do various program like they will call some kavi, that is poet. They will come and sing the poems, and some other Hindi programs they celebrate. Then this is the famous, I think the is getting blocked. Famous poets of Hindi. The leftmost is a Kabir Das. Like Thiruvalluvar has written 1.5 lines to Thirukural. The same way Kabir Das, either 2 lines or 4 lines. He has written lot of good poems and very good, old poems. Kabir ke dohe, 2 lines. Dohe, they will say. Sometimes it will be written as in 4 lines, very rarely. The next one is Bharatendu Harish Chandra. He is also a famous poet. Then Maithili Sharan Gupt, the third one, who is having a cap, white cap. And he is also called as a national poet. Like our Bharadiyar in Tamil Nadu, he is known as a Desiya Kavi. Desiya Kavi near Kavi Vinayakam Pillai, and he is also a Mahakavi, we say. Similarly, Maithili Sharan Gupt is called as Rashtriya Kavi. Then Mahadevi Verma, she is a lady poet, very nice poem she has written. Bottom. Then Suryaka Nirala is a short name. Next one is Ramdari Singh Dinkar. Dinkar is also a very nice poet. This the long one, Sumitranandan Pant, which you can read. May 20th, 1900, he was born, and December 28th, 1977. Pant was the first Hindi poet to receive the Jnanapeeth Award. Jnanapeeth Virudu அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அது வந்து Sumitranandan Pant was the first Hindi poet to receive such an award. Then this 25 paise stamp, she is Subhatra Kumari Chauhan. She is from Rajasthan. She has written very nice poems on various patriotic poems, Jhansi Rani story, many things she has written. And which is being blocked a little bit, the 5 rupee stamp. That is one poet whose son is one of the very famous actors in Hindi. This poet name is Harivansh Bachchan. He has also written a lot of nice poems, and his son is one of the most famous Hindi actors. Can anybody say who could be that person? You can post in the group. Any guesses? Yes, Varalakshmi, anybody has written there?
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Yes.
Amitabh. Monish
Yes.
and Yamini posted Amitabh.
Yes, Amitabh Bachchan. His father was a very famous poet, Harivansh Bachchan, and his son is a famous actor, and Amitabh Bachchan. Yes.
Yeah, Arunadhi posted Amitabh.
Very good, very good. And this Munshi Premchand, the leftmost, that blue background, he is one of the most famous novelists. Very good novels he has written in Hindi, and he used to write a very as if it will look like a movie. That sort of very nice novels he has written. Jaishankar Prasad, middle one, he is also a very famous writer. He has written short stories, novel, various Hindi literature. Then Mahavir Prasad Dwivedi, also Hindi literature. He has given a very lot of. He's one of the oldest and very famous literate. He has written a lot of literature. So this is just a name. Munshi Premchand. Premchand you can remember. Dinkar you can remember. And Kabir you can remember. And of course Harivansh Bachchan you all can remember. Mahadevi Verma, Subhatra Kumari Chauhan, if possible you can remember. Today's new words. Prasiddha is famous. Taj Mahal एक प्रसिद्ध इमारत, इमारत is building, इमारत है, right? कोडाईकनाल एक प्रसिद्ध जगह है, प्रसिद्ध is famous, famous can be. अमिताभ बच्चन एक प्रसिद्ध एक्टर है, प्रसिद्ध, 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 famous, प्रबलமான, புகழ்பெற்ற. The next one is another three words. They are very, very close to each other. Nek is noble, straightforward, उन्नतமான person. वो एक नेक आदमी है. He is a very straightforward person. He is a very noble person. और महत्ताना आय, उन्नतமான आय. नेक आदमी, नेक. The next one is होनहार. होनहार is a नंबिकेकुरियवर, very promising person, very, very nice person. That is how the होनहार is a होनहार लड़का, होनहार विद्यार्थी, very promising boy. He will secure good ranks like this. So होनहार. Then after होनहार, ईमानदार. ईमानदार, ईमानदार is honest, நேர்மையானவர். ईमानदारी ना नेर्मयाग वेले सेयणुम, ईमानदारी से काम करो. वो एक बड़ा ईमानदार है. He is a very honest person. कामराज एक बड़ा ईमानदार नेता थे. कामराज was a very honest leader. ईमानदार. Then next one is सच, truth, उन्मय. सच्चा means truthful, उन्मयानवर. वो एक सच्चा आदमी था. He always tells truth. Such persons are सच्चा आदमी, अच्छा आदमी, सच्चा आदमी, नेक आदमी, ईमानदार आदमी, होनहार आदमी. Like that we can appreciate somebody. Jhoot, just opposite of such is jhoot. Jhoot is false, poi. Truth is such, false is jhoot. Then साफ करना is cleaning. Clean the blackboard, clean the home, clean the बर्तन is utensils or पात्रेंgai. साफ करो is to clean, सुत्तम सही. आदर करना, to respect a person, मर्यादेयोड़ मर्यादे செய்வது, आदर करो. बड़े लोगों को आदर करना चाहिए. elder people आदर करना चाहिए. माता पिता को आदर करना चाहिए. We have to respect our parents. Then प्रशंसा करना and तारीफ करना, both are okay to praise a person. और पर्सन है வந்து பாராட்டுறதுக்கோ புகழ்றதுக்கோ प्रशंसा करना, तारीफ करना. Then मेहनत is hard work. मेहनत करना. Hard work means not necessarily physical work. Even when you are all writing every day homework, that is also a good मेहनत. All of you, आप सब लोग बहुत मेहनत करके घर की पाठ लिखते हैं. So मेहनत is hard work, कठिन उழைப்பு. बधाई, congratulations. All those who have written nicely examination, 27 people have written examination and secured very good marks. So सबके लिए बधाइयाँ. बधाइयाँ is plural. बधाई is வாழ்த்து. बधाइयाँ is வாழ்த்துக்கள். Congratulations. बधाइयाँ. Then विद्यार्थी, another word I told, छात्र. छात्र, विद्यार्थी, student, मानवर. विद्यार्थिनी, like that, छात्र, छात्रा is girl student. Okay, these are the new words. I will read once again the Hindi portion. प्रसिद्ध, नेक, होनहार, ईमानदार, सच, झूठ, साफ करना, आदर करना, प्रशंसा करना, तारीफ करना. बोथ आर इक्वल मीनिंग. प्रशंसा करना, तारीफ करना. मेहनत, बधाई, बधाइयाँ. छात्र, छात्रा, प्रसिद्ध, नेक, होनहार, ईमानदार, सच, झूठ, साफ करना, आदर करना, प्रशंसा करना, तारीफ करना, मेहनत, मेहनत करना also we can use, बधाई, छात्र. So these are the new words for today. So now we will go to the today's oral quiz. Ready? Everybody is ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So first one is to do.
Karna. Surya
Karna.
posted and Kala
correct.
posted, Nandini posted.
Very correct. Very correct.
Sindhil, Shraddha, all are posting same.
Okay, very nice. In this word, I want to add one point. Yesterday, for the past tense forms, we have given something exception like ho, hona, hua, jana, kiya, like this. Similarly, for karna also, the past tense form is exception. That is kiya. All other things, either a we have to add or ya we have to add. But karna mein we cannot say kara, we cannot say kaya, we have to say kiya. Karna changes as kiya, kiye, ki. The feminine gender के लिए ki. Okay? So, karna. The next one, to serve. To serve.
Madad Karna. Kala M posted Madad
See,
Karna.
Madad karna is to help. This is to serve.
Anuradha posted Seva Karna. Seva
Perfect.
Karna Shraddha.
Perfect.
They
Perfect.
all are posting the same, sir. Yamini, Sendil Bhaskar, Florence,
Yes. Yes.
Shaban,
Seva karna. Very good.
Seva
Very
Karna.
good.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Seva karna is very good. Someday the chat window comes, opens up here. Someday it's not opening. I don't know what is the reason. Today it's not opening. Next one, to know.
Yavashri posted Malum and Jana to know. Surya, Princey, Monish,
जानना.
Jana, Jana.
जानना. Yes. जानना is to know. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. Okay.
Malum, Akshaya posted Malum, sir.
मालूम ना मुझे हिंदी मालूम है. Like this. We can say okay. It's not a bad word. I mean, it's not totally incorrect. It's relevant only. But most perfect word is जानना. To know. जानना. Okay. मालूम is slightly differently we are using it. But more or less meaning is similar only. No issues. The next one is to meet. To meet. Meet a person.
Milna. Anuradha, similar. Yavashri, Kala, all are posting. Shashwati, Florence,
Okay, very good.
Princey.
Very nice, very nice. The next one is to become happy. To become happy.
Kushona, Kala
Kushona.
Kushona.
Perfect.
Hansa, Arya Hansa.
Okay.
Sandil
Hansana is to
Bhaskar.
laugh. See, Hansana is
Okay.
to laugh. Kushona is to become happy.
Bahut Kushi, Sendil Bhaskar.
Bahut Kushi is very happy.
Okay. Kushona, all are posting
Kushona.
Kushona, sir.
Kushona is a perfect answer.
Yes.
Then to remember. To remember. Because all of you have to remember. Remember everything.
Yaad Karna.
Yes. Correct.
Yes. All are posting the same one, sir. Yaad Karna.
Perfect answer. So now nose. Body part.
Knock, sir. Knock.
Knock.
All are posting knock.
Knock is correct. Knock. Then next one is green. This color. That you are screen sharing that color. Green color.
Hara, sir. Hara.
Hara is perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Some noise is coming from somebody. Hara. Then after that 70.
Yeah, Sat, sir. Sat.
Sat is 7.
Sat. S-A-80. Sat.
Sat is 60. Sat is 60. Sat is 7.
Satar. If you are posting Satar. S-A-T-H-A.
Okay. Sattar. It's not Satar. We have to pronounce as Sattar. Sir, it 70 is 70. Okay.
Yes, sir. Posting the same, sir.
Okay, 70 is correct. Then tall. The person is tall. Building is tall. Tall.
Lambda. Lamba. Hostler posting lambda.
Lamba is
Lamba.
correct. L-A-M-B-A. Lamba.
Yes, sir.
Dot, then ba. Lamba. Okay, lamba is tall. Then tiger. Animal name. Tiger.
Yeah, bog, sir. All are posting
Bog
bog.
is
B-A-G-H.
Perfect. Perfect answer. Bog is perfect. Then banana. Fruit. Banana.
Yavashri posted Kela. Princey,
Kela is
Arunidhi, Arya.
Yes. Perfect answer. So now few revisions. Shru karna to start. Rukna to stop. Malum. No. Theriyum. Pakana to cook. Samaital. Sahayog karna to cooperate. Ottulaipu koduttal. Uttirna hona to pass in the exam. Terchi perudal. Purush on. Istri pen. Sauchalaya toilet. Kaliparai. Kamra. Though we will be writing as kamera, but we have to pronounce as kamra. Kamra is room, array. Pariksha, exam, teru. Anuvad, translation, molibayarpu. Anuvad karna, to translate, molibayarpu seidal. Ana, aya, past tense form. Sona, soya. Kana, kaya. Gana, gaya. Pana, paya. Lana, laya. Chalna, chala. Daudna, dauda. Padna, pada. Sunna, suna. Dekhna, dekha. Samajna, samja. Exceptions. Jana, gaya. Dena, diya. Pina, piya. Hona, hua. Karna, kiya. Done. Okay. Then general pattern is this left hand side. When the root ends with consonant, then add a, like chal, daud, pad. These are all ending with consonants. Then you will add a, pad plus a, pada. Then when the root ends with vowel or mixed letter, like a, ana, a is a vowel. So aya, sona, so is a mixed letter. So you will put soya. So these are the two patterns broadly with few exceptions. So one conversation video we'll see. So listen this story very carefully. Okay. Then end of the video, then we will discuss. Small only.
हंसना मना है. लेखन शेरिल राव. शांति और अरुण अच्छे मित्र थे. उन्हें एक दूसरे के साथ खेलने में बहुत मजा आता था. घर वापस जाते समय अक्सर उनके बीच दौड़ लग जाती थी. शांति हमेशा खुश रहने वाली लड़कियों में से थी. एक दिन शांति धीमे धीमे चलती हुई कक्षा में आई. उसका चेहरा लटका हुआ था. वो बहुत उदास दिख रही थी.
क्या तुम्हें किसी ने डांटा?
अरुण ने पूछा. शांति ने अपना सिर हिलाकर मना कर दिया. वह बैठ गई. उसने न तो सिर उठाकर देखा और न ही उपस्थित कहा जब सोना दीदी ने उसका नाम पुकारा. शांति कुमारी. सोना दीदी ने ऊंची आवाज में फिर से पुकारा. शांति ने अपना हाथ खड़ा कर दिया. क्या तुम्हारे गले में खराश है? दीदी ने पूछा. शांति ने सिर हिलाकर ना कह दिया. उसके गाल लाल हो गए थे. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे उसे बुखार हो. सोना दीदी ने पूछा, तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है? हाँ, शांति ने फिर से सिर हिलाया, लेकिन चेहरा उठाकर उनकी तरफ देखा नहीं। आखिर शांति इतनी उदास क्यों लग रही थी?
तुम्हारा छोटा भाई तो मजे में है ना? तुम्हारा पालतू कुत्ता तो तंग नहीं कर रहा ना?
तुम्हारी दादी की तबीयत ठीक है ना? शांति सभी दोस्तों के सवालों पर सिर हिलाती रही, लेकिन उसने चेहरा ऊपर नहीं उठाया। अरुण शांति को हंसाना चाहता था। उसे एक उपाय सूझा। उसने अपना बस्ता खोला और उसमें से कुछ निकाला। जैसे ही वह उसे शांति को दिखाने के लिए दौड़ा, वह चीज उसके हाथ से फिसल गई। शांति ने देखा कि कोई चीज उड़कर उसके पास आ रही है। उसने लपक कर चीज को पकड़ लिया। शांति को दिखा एक बड़ा सा रबड़ का मेंढक। शांति की आंखें खुली की खुली रह गई। फिर उसने मुंह खोला जोर से हंसने के लिए। तब अरुण और बाकी सबको समझ आया क्यों शांति पूरे दिन न हंस रही थी और न ही बातें कर रही थी। दरअसल सामने के 4 दांत जो गायब हो गए थे उसके।
So how was the story? Good. So what are all the, first we will see what are all the words, or first we will see what happened in the story. Somebody can unmute, raise the hand, we'll unmute, and you can tell that what was the story, what was the climax of the story. First you tell, then we will learn what are all the words in the conversation.
Yes, Akshaya raised her hand.
Yes,
I'll unmute herself.
Yes.
Yeah. Akshaya.
Yes.
Yes, Akshaya, you can talk, ma.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Akshaya. So what was the story about?
Sir, that she lost her front 4 teeth, so she is not talking to anyone.
Yes. So that's why she did not. And then finally, when she was laughing, then everybody could see that.
Friends saw that.
Yes. Okay, good. So now we will tell, I mean, all of you can tell what are all the words which we have learned, which was there, which was easy to understand.
Dadi.
Dadi, okay.
Right.
And you all can post, simultaneously you can post.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Ammu posted Uber, Maska, Deka.
Right.
Pucha, Sendil Baskar, Pucha. Upar, Satish Kumar, Upar, up. Semmalar, Purne, Share, Florence, Share.
Right.
And then
Shavan,
Share, Hath, Hand, Surya. Nandini, Chota, Pakura, Sab, Nehi, Ladki, Deka, Pucha, Upar, Bai. And Selva Darshan posted Kutta.
Yes. Paltu Kutta.
Then Shavan Kutta. Danti. Kala posted Danti.
Dant is a teeth.
Dant. Teeth, yeah.
Yes.
Or Sindil Baskar. Ottar. Haliti. Something is H-A-L-I-T-H-I.
I also could not make out that.
Dante. Nicola. Pukara. Courage. Hansna.
Hansna
Sir,
is right.
Char.
Char, yes, correct. Number 4.
Sir also I posted, right? Head.
Yeah, Hansna. Very good. Sir, head. Okay. Barabar. Sir also came. So, a lot of words which we have learned, right? Even a lot of verbs also was there. Char is fever, yeah. That's a new word. Okay, good. So, now we will see what is next for us. Yes, now the reading.
Yeah, please raise your hands. Those who want to read, please raise your hands.
I'm just opening. Just wait for a minute.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So Akshaya, Arulnidhi, Ammu and Banasir Begum raised their hands.
Okay.
So any other person, if you want, you can raise your hands.
Yeah,
So we can have a reading practice one by one. Yeah, Akshaya, you can start, ma. Unmute. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, Akshaya. You can start reading.
Can I start, sir?
Yes, please start.
Und chala, by und chala.
Yes.
Und chala, by und chala. Hilta, hulta, und chala.
Hulta, then next is dulta, do.
Dulta.
Yes. Chala. Next two lines.
Itna, uncha, und chala. Und chala, by und chala.
By und chala.
By und chala.
Okay. Now next person.
Next person is Arunidhi.
Yes.
Yes, Arunidhi, you can unmute, ma. From the starting, Arunidhi wants to talk something. Arunidhi,
okay.
Yes. Arunidhi, you can unmute yourself.
Sir,
yeah.
Here was a network problem, sir. Can I reconnect, sir?
Yeah, you can reconnect. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So the next person.
So next person is Ammu.
Yes.
Ammu, you can start.
Ammu the Santi.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, the Santi.
Unchi. Kardan. Unji. Peat.
Yes. Peat is muduve, Gardan is kaluthu, neck.
Okay, sir.
Peat is back.
Peat.
Yes.
Udaye.
Uthaye.
Utaye.
Yeah, Unt is Otaham. Camel.
Unt. Okay, sir. Unt. Chala.
Right.
Chala.
The next line. Wait. Yes, next two lines. Yes, you can read the top two lines.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Balu hai.
Yes.
Balu hai. Bo kone.
Not
bo
go.
Kone.
See, do.
Sorry. To.
Yes.
To hone. Do.
Yes. So that is the difference. The to and do, you have to pronounce differently. Okay, next line.
Okay, sir. Boj.
Yes.
Boj.
Yeah.
Unt ko. Done. Do.
Right. See the da and the. So you will know the difference, how to write differently, because sometimes the bottom, the loop is some of the people are not writing. So this is do, this is do, done, do. Boj is sumai. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a practice for different pronunciation. Yes. Now next person.
Banasir Beham.
Yes. आपका phone.
Your voice is breaking. Yeah.
Yes.
Check your mic, Banasir. The voice is not clear.
Nahi, you have to start with nahi. Nahi fasega balu mein. Okay, next line. Banasir.
Yes, Banasir, you're on. You can talk, ma. Banasir.
Next line, please.
I think some problem.
Hello.
Yeah, your voice is breaking a lot.
Yeah, sir. Banasir, you can try it some more time after some time. Okay, I'll unmute Arya now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Arya, you can start from nahi.
Arya, please talk.
Sir. नहीं फंसेगा बालों में बालों में भी ऊंट चला
Yes.
जब धक्कर
See, takkar, tha, you have to give little more force compared
Okay,
to
sir.
the second. But that time it was the first tha, this is second tha. Second tha is tha.
Okay.
Takkar.
जब धक्कर
Tak is tired.
थककर बैठेगा
Right.
ऊंट
Yes.
कैसा
कैसा नहीं, किस.
किस करवट बैठोगा
बैठेगा.
बैठेगा ऊंट
Won't. Next two line also you can read.
बात बता
बता. बता.
बता बता सकेगा कौन भला
Yes.
ऊंट चला बही ऊंट चला.
Yes. Won't chala, bahi won't chala. Very good.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So next is similar.
Yes. Similar.
Yeah, similar. Please talk.
It's a small poem.
Yes, similar. Please.
yes sir, yes sir.
Yes, you can read the red letter first.
चटपट
Yes.
चटपट कविता
Yes.
बंद कर
No, पढ़कर. पढ़ना read.
ओके पढ़कर पढ़कर
पढ़हर ले. पढ़कर. See, पढ़कर. ख के ये ख. पढ़कर.
पढ़कर
पढ़हर नहीं. See, your voice is coming as है. You have to say ख.
कर
पढ़कर.
पढ़कर
Right. Right. Now right.
मजा लो.
Yes. Enjoy by reading this poem. Now read the poem and enjoy. Next 4 lines. 4 lines you read.
कुछ ऊंट
Won't. In it. Won't. Kuch won't.
कुछ ऊंट
Yes.
सर तेरीला सर
Uncha. See, a, e, e, u is there, no? That u. Then on the top it is e. Then uncha. Uncha is also on the top. Himalaya बहुत ऊंचा है.
कुछ ऊंचा
कुछ ऊंचा. Okay. Okay. Next line.
कुछ ऊंचे
नहीं, उसके पहले what is the next word? See, first line कुछ ऊंचा. Next line कुछ pu. Then in. Then cha. Poonch. Poonch. Poonch is tail. Kuch poonch. What are the 3 letters are there? Poonchi, cha, chichi. Yesterday also the homework was that. Right?
I sir.
Kuch poonch, poonchi.
Poonchi.
Right. Then
Pete.
Pete किधर गया? Pete is the last line. What about the third line?
Third line இருக்கு. Third line she left to read.
Third line please.
Third line இருக்கு ma'am.
Okay. कुछ ऊंचे ऊंट की.
Right. Perfect.
Pete ऊंच. Pete ऊंची.
Right. Very good. Okay. So now somebody else also I want who can confidently read ekdam fast these 4 lines. Anybody who likes to read fast?
Sendil Bhaskar. I'll unmute.
Okay.
Yeah, Sendil Bhaskar, Madras. Okay.
Yeah.
4 lines you have to read.
Yeah, sir. Yes.
आप जलते जलते बोलकर देखो.
No. I want the kuch won't. That 4 line.
Third line.
No, what she read.
Okay. कुछ won't. Yeah, sir. कुछ won't. ऊंचा.
Yes.
कुछ ऊंची.
ऊंची.
हाँ ऊंचे सर ऊंची
Right.
कुछ ऊंचे
कुछ
की पीठ ऊंची
Please repeat third and fourth line again.
या कुछ ऊंचे ऊंट ऊंट की
Yes.
या पीठ ऊंची
Pit ऊंची. Very good. Very good. Good reading. Okay. Very nice. Now next.
अब जलते जल
Okay. Oh, okay. You read. You read.
अब जलते जलते बोलकर देखो
जल्दी जल्दी चलते चलते नहीं जल्दी
जल्दी जल्दी बोलकर देखे
फास्ट फास्ट
हाँ बोलकर देखे
देखो नॉट देखे देखो
देखो
yes
जीप लकड़ा
नो लड़खड़ा
लड़कड़ा गार्क
गार्ग नहीं गई गई
गई
थर्ड ग एंड अल्फाबेट वोवल गई
कैसी लगी कविता करेक्ट कविता
यस
अब इस कविता को अपने मन से नाम दो
in your mind, from your mind you give a name to this poem.
So okay sir,
okay
ऊपर दे गॉन गागी
see दी गई
ऊपर दी गई
கொடுக்கப்பட்டுள்ள
जहां में
जहां is place
लिख भी तो दो
you also write okay, you give a name and also write. Okay. Okay, now next person. Okay, good attempt.
Surya.
Yes, Surya. This red letter and then followed by the two lines.
Surya, you can unmute and talk.
Yes. So, Ut.
This red line is the middle. Yes, Registan. Desert. Registan is desert. Okay.
Ut Registan में
ऊंट you have to say ऊंट.
ऊंट. रेगिस्तान में ज्यादा मिलते हैं.
Correct.
नीचे दो चित्र बने हैं.
Very good.
सही जगह पर उट का चित्र
you have to say ऊंट. Yes.
का चित्र बनाओ.
Yes. It's a desert. In desert, lot of camels are there. You draw a camel picture in a proper place in this below picture. That is the meaning.
Yes.
Okay. Next line also you can read.
बालू या रेत कहाँ पर मिलती हैं?
Yes, रेत is sand. Okay, where all we get sand. You want to read two more lines?
Okay, sir.
Yes, this and this you read.
Hilta, Dulta.
See first here you read. Red color letter you read.
Oh yeah. Kitna.
Yes. Kitna is how many? Yes. Now you read the next.
Dulta und chala.
Yes.
Itna und ut.
Itna uncha.
Chala.
Uncha.
Oh, uncha, sir.
Yes. Unt chala. Very good.
Chala.
Yes. Very good. Good. Okay. Good.
Okay,
Next.
thank you,
please.
Surya.
Thanks, sir.
And
Yes.
next one is Monish.
Yes, Monish.
Monish. Surya, mute yourself. Mute. Okay.
So now next, where Surya left, Monish can start.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
So from
You'll,
Ab.
yes, correct. You'll start from Ab.
Okay. Ab batao.
Yes.
Unt kitna uncha.
Yes.
तुम्हारी कक्षा की दीवार.
Yes.
हाथी जितना.
Yes.
बिजली के खंबे
Yes.
जितना
Yes. Yes. So how tall it is? Like your wall in your classroom, like the elephant, like the bijli ka kambe is a electrical post, that tall, like this. Okay, one more you read. This next box also.
हाथी कितना मोटा
Motha is stout. Yes.
तुम्हारी माँ के संदूक
Sanduk.
जितना ऊन
Yes.
जितना
Yes.
पहाड़
Yes. Pahad is also mountain. Yes.
जितना
Very good. Okay. You want to read one more?
Sure.
Yeah, you read.
चिंटी
Chinti.
कितनी छोटी
Yes.
चीनी
Chini.
चीनी के दाने जितनी
Yes.
चावल के दाने जितनी
Yes.
इलायची के दाने जितनी
Yes.
जितनी
Yes. Chinti is ant. Kitna, how small it is, like the sugar, like the rice, like that. That's right. Okay. Okay. Now next person. Nicely read.
Yeah, nice, Monish. Next is Ilakya.
Yes, Ilakya.
Ilakya. Yes, Ilakya.
Ilakya, you will start from this red color letter, followed by the next line. First you. All others mute, please, so that yes. Yes, Ilakya. Reading. Yes.
ऊंचा
Yes.
ऊंचा
सही है.
कुछ
बराबर.
नीचा
Perfect.
उठ
Yes.
से
Yes.
ऊंची
Yes.
चीजों
चीजों. Yes.
के नाम
Yes.
पर
Yes.
जोला है
गोला. गोला.
गोला.
नाम पर गोला. Okay. Next word.
लागू
लगाओ.
लगाओ
Circulate. Okay. Which are all the things below given things which are all taller than camel? You circulate. Gola is circle.
Okay, sir.
Lagao is put the circle. Okay. Now read the next one.
बगीचा
Bachia.
बच्चिया
Yes.
बिजली का
Yes.
गप
Kamba.
तप्पा
Kamba. Ka imba. Kamba.
का इम्बा कंबा ओके सर
Yeah. What is the next? Tumhari.
तुम्हारी कैसे
Kaksha. Kaksha is class.
अच्छा को कत
कक्षा की छत. Okay.
मछली
मछली किधर गया?
आती
हाथी. Right.
आम
Next.
का पेड़
Very nice. Very well read. Okay. Now next person.
Next is Sita Anbu.
Yes, Sita Anbu.
तो सर ऊंट के नीचे से क्या क्या निकल सकता है?
Correct.
किन किन चीजों की मदद से ऊंट पर चढ़ोगे?
Right. with the help of what and all you can climb on the top of the camel. Okay. Yes. You want to read one more? This next, if you want, you can continue. Next 3 lines. Anbu?
No, sir. She is on mute, sir.
Okay. Next person then.
Again, Surya, Ilakya, and Sita and raised their hands.
Okay, you can
Sendil
give them shots.
Bhaskar.
You can
Yes,
give
Surya. Yes. Surya, if you want, you can talk. Surya?
Hello?
Yes, you want
Yes,
to read
Surya.
more?
Yeah, I actually forgot to unraise my hand, but I'll read again.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
No problem.
Safar ka saman.
Saman. Yes.
Unchi.
Unchi.
Gurdan.
Yes.
Unchi. Peet.
Yes. Yes.
Utaye.
Tha. We'll have to give us little force. Utaye.
Unt. Chala.
Unt. Chala. Okay. Next line.
Batao ye sab kya atakar.
Utakar.
Chalenge.
Chalenge is the
Chalenge.
picture. Yes. These lines also you can read. The great. Yes.
Teacher G.
Yes.
Teacher G.
Barabar.
Pitaji.
Yes.
Share.
Yes.
Dadi Ji.
Dadaji.
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 Dadaji. Grandfather. Okay.